Welcome to Judge Echo, where we uncover the most shocking legal battles currently sweeping the USA. Subscribe Judge Echo for daily courtroom update.
Oh no, watch her. Hello,
Hello.
what's your name? Whoa!
And
No.
it's on social media.
All right. And let's see, where are we on this? You had indicated there were certain repair issues for you.
Yes, sir.
Did those get addressed at all, or where are we? So they didn't get addressed. Nobody came over, or what?
Hey,
Wow. Okay.
See that the bedroom window leaks, and then what's going on with the dishwasher? Is it just it's not working, or
it's not working and it's full of water and it's a smell come from it and the washing machine and the dryer. It's messed up.
Wait, I had
The washing
here
machine
before, it was the bedroom window. There was then the washer and dryer
and dishwasher.
and the dishwasher.
Yes. That's it.
And I think when we did that, because we were on Zoom at the time, that Mr. Fink was going to try, I think he was here,
Yes.
going to try to get somebody over there, but nobody's come over yet.
No, sir.
All right.
Your Honor, and just
All right. What do you have as the,
balance currently $927.
okay.
How much?
So,
$927.
so she's paid quite a bit. I mean, so I mean, she paid because I had that she was going to pay $1,500 by Monday. That would have brought her into $2,000 range, but she's obviously made another
No.
other kind of pay.
Your Honor, the balance that I have is $927. It looks like there was on the 8th. I'm gonna have to, I don't have the ledger that we had that date, but I will follow up. Does the 927 sound right to you? Or does it sound lower than what you would?
I'm not sure.
Okay,
I just want to be able to pay what I owe.
right.
Hang on. So here's what you told me. So last time we were here, the balance that was given, including court costs, was $3,687. She had indicated she was going to pay $1,500 by Monday.
That is correct. And
I paid
Did you do
it.
that, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Okay, she did that.
so I don't know what the discrepancy is, Your Honor, but obviously the balance that on this ledger on May 8th is different than what
Right.
we would have had last week. And so what
Gotcha.
I could do is, I don't know if this is it subsidized, is the rent subsidized?
Okay, so that might have been it, like a payment came or something.
Yeah, that might be.
Okay, got it.
Double check though.
Okay, so I'm gonna adjourn it out a week. I want the sheet. I want these repairs done. Because as I recall, she told me the last time she's been living with these for a while now. She asked that they be done, and I'm not saying that they can fix them all right away, but somebody needs to get over there and check on them. And so I want that done before we come back next week. So I'm going to adjourn you out. What? Yes, me. No, it's okay.
I can't come in person because I get off work at 1. I work 5 a.m. to 1. So I can't unless it's later.
Your Honor, do you want
So
to?
you don't want to see me?
I love to see you.
No, it's okay. It's okay. No, I'm not.
Ah,
You know, people are offending me all over the place today.
I don't want you to be offended.
Oh, I know. All right. So you get off of work at 1.
5 to 1. I work 5 to 1.
Do you want to turn it out 2
2 weeks. Okay. I'll do this for you. Okay. 29th,
Okay.
2026 at 2 p.m. Will that work better for you?
Sir,
All right.
date it.
See, I can be nice. All right.
Oh, nice.
You take care. You have a great weekend. All righty. Hamilton Crossing 2 versus Lansing Kaba. She's on the shoot. Grant application.
Brian Engen for plaintiff.
That means. Hello.
Hello,
What's your name?
Fatimata Kaba.
Okay. I have a note from Hawk, and I don't know how to interpret it entirely. It says waiting for electronic signature for grant application from client.
Yeah, and then I sent that in yesterday. My caseworker, Alicia Sykes, I think. She's in the process of getting that check sent over to the office, I think.
To the complex? Okay. So you were at the end, your understanding is you were at the end of the process.
Yeah,
You needed to sign and then it was gonna
Yeah.
go. All right, what do you have as a current now? 2002. All right. So what I'm gonna do, ma'am, is I'm gonna adjourn you out to the 22nd, 2026 at 1 p.m.
Okay.
Okay? Hopefully they're gonna get over there. There might be a slight discrepancy of about $50 somehow or another, maybe. Who knows? All right. But hopefully then everything will be paid. We all set.
okay. Thank you.
Okay? Thank you. New Park Ridge versus Sydney Dodd.
As this dog comes up, Your Honor, we spoke previously and she did different Hawk application.
Yes, and hello, what?
Hi, Sydney. That
Okay. I have a note here that Ms. Dodd has been approved for $1,652 in rental arrearage. She was approved on the 13th.
Oh.
What's your next 1652.
Your Honor, the balance that I have is 1654.
I think your math is off by $2. Okay. All right. So she was approved for that, but you guys don't have the check. So let me ask you this. If you had to
Yes,
come up with the $2,
yes, I'll pay it.
I should make her not pay it. So
I do got a question though.
that she would pay it.
I would. I got babies. I gotta keep my house. I said I got babies. I gotta keep my house.
I got you. What?
So I'm not sure if you remember, but the last time that I was here, it was the furnace issue. You had stopped it and dismissed the case that I had before until that was fixed. They did have somebody come out. It was during the winter earlier this year.
Okay.
They did have somebody come out, but they weren't able to connect the air. They had to basically rig it kind of to just get the heat going for us. I'm back and do
now,
but they
air
haven't came. So I was trying to see if somebody could come out. I've emailed a couple times, but still nothing. And then also we have a bird now in the dryer vent that I had asked for them. Like they keep coming through the outside. I don't know. I just here and I ran outside. So I don't know. Yeah, so it's live bird. And so they just keep coming back and forth.
We're going to invest.
Oh no, I don't do animals. But they keep
What, all animals or just birds?
I'm scared of birds. I don't know why.
Okay. Me too.
Okay.
All right. I just don't like them flapping around. I got you.
So
All right. So when are we going to get that bird out?
they keep so that's the thing. They go out, but they come back in. So I had spoke to them about they were supposed to put a sheet up or something like that, but it still hasn't been done. So if
All
you
right.
put one up for
So
me.
here's what I'm going to do. Bird in the vent. I want somebody to check her air conditioning because
Yes.
if that blower doesn't work, she's not going to get air.
Okay.
and then do something about that bird.
Please, please, bird.
So I'll adjourn it out to the 22nd, 2020. Well, if the check is on the way, let me go to the 29th. I'm gonna go 2
Okay.
weeks out. Let them try to get out there and get that all solved. And then that's at what? 2 p.m.
It's beautiful.
Okay.
What day is that?
That's the 29th.
What day is it?
Oh, Friday.
Friday. I might be in class because I'm in the nursing program, but we have clinicals and they switching our schedule, but I think we're switching to Fridays. So, do I have to be in person?
You're supposed to be in person, but
I can talk to her. I'll ask my teacher first if I can step
Okay.
out because it's right down the street.
so here's the issue. I don't want you missing class, but because the issue, I don't want you missing class to get down here.
Oh.
You think that if I gave you Zoom approval, you could appear via Zoom?
That's fine.
All right.
I asked her to first. I'm right. It's literally right here by St. Joe's. So I'm not far, but I just want to make sure that I'd be able to step out.
Okay. All right. So we'll work that out. We're
Okay.
nothing. The worst thing that nothing's going to happen. I just want to make sure that these repairs are done and that they get the check over,
Thank you.
and we'll do that. Okay.
All right.
So when are you going to be a nurse?
February 27th. Yeah. So next year, I'm almost there.
Next year?
Here.
How long you been doing
This year, it's only a 12-month program through St. Joe's. It's the first one through.
that St. Joe's?
Mhm.
Okay.
I work there.
That part of that are they connected with the nursing program at Washington?
Not yet. So I'll be doing the bridge program there. So I'm doing the LPN program right now, but I'm going to bridge over to RN after I'm done in February.
Gotcha.
So that will be through one.
Okay.
Yes.
Gotcha.
Yep.
Well, congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's fantastic.
Thank you. Then just.
New Park Ridge versus Alana Armstead. I do.
Okay.
She on there?
Yep. Planning.
Okay. So what do you have her owing?
Have $1,004. Letter of commitment.
Yes, that's what we have. And a letter came in or a note